Hello, I'm Jessica, and welcome to Pharma Focus America. This is your gateway to the latest innovations in the pharmaceutical industry, biopharma breakthroughs, clinical trials, and advanced manufacturing. Whether you're working in research and development, regulatory affairs, biotech, or anywhere in between, stay connected to pharma innovation anytime, anywhere with Pharma Focus America. Want more? Subscribe now, www.pharmafocusamerica.com/subscribe, and get the latest updates delivered straight to you.
Welcome, listeners. As pharmaceutical manufacturing accelerates into a data-driven future, safeguarding the security of its digital ecosystem has become more crucial than ever. In this episode, we're joined by Vasudev Bhupti, Director of Pharmacovigilance at Moderna, who explores the transformative role of artificial intelligence in pharmacovigilance. He shares how artificial intelligence is reshaping the way we detect, assess, and prevent adverse drug reactions, ensuring both patient safety and regulatory compliance. Together, we'll uncover how advanced technologies are driving greater accuracy, speed, and confidence in global drug safety monitoring.
Hello everyone, I'm Vasudev Bhupati. In this episode, I'll be discussing the transformative role of artificial intelligence in pharmacovigilance and how it is revolutionizing the way we detect, assess, and prevent adverse drug reactions. We'll explore how AI enhances data accuracy, accelerates decision-making, and strengthens patient safety measures. Join me as we uncover the future of smarter, technology-driven pharmacovigilance. Incorporating artificial intelligence into pharmacovigilance marks a shift from reactive to proactive drug safety monitoring. This article examines how artificial intelligence enhances ADR detection, risk assessment, and decision-making through predictive analytics, machine learning automation, and real-time data processing. It also addresses ethical and data privacy challenges, as well as governance needs. By fostering interdisciplinary collaboration, artificial intelligence-driven pharmacovigilance promises a more efficient, personalized, and ethically sound approach to patient safety and future readiness. Artificial intelligence is poised to revolutionize numerous aspects of human life, promising significant advancements in fields ranging from autonomous vehicles to personalized medicine. In healthcare, AI's potential to enhance drug safety through pharmacovigilance is particularly compelling. Pharmacovigilance, the science of detecting, assessing, understanding, and preventing adverse effects and other drug-related problems, is crucial for ensuring patient safety and effective healthcare. By integrating AI into pharmacovigilance, stakeholders aim to overcome existing challenges in drug safety monitoring, thereby enhancing the therapeutic benefits of medicinal products. The essentials of pharmacovigilance. Pharmacovigilance is fundamental to public health, encompassing activities related to the collection, detection, assessment, monitoring, and prevention of adverse effects with pharmaceutical products. The primary goals of PV are to improve patient care and safety in relation to the use of medicines and to support public health programs by providing reliable, balanced information for the effective assessment of the risk-benefit profile of medications. The key regulatory components of pharmacovigilance include adverse drug reaction reporting. Healthcare providers and pharmaceutical companies are mandated to report any adverse drug reactions they encounter. This data is essential for identifying potential safety signals. Risk management plans. Manufacturers must develop strategies to minimize risks associated with their medicines. Periodic safety update reports. Regular updates that evaluate the risk-benefit balance of a medicinal product are required. Post-marketing surveillance. Continuous monitoring of drugs post-launch ensures they remain safe as new information emerges from broader patient populations. Audits and inspections. These are conducted to ensure compliance with pharmacovigilance regulations. Signal detection activities. Pharmacovigilance heavily relies on signal detection, which involves identifying potential safety issues from the vast amount of data collected from various sources, including clinical trials, healthcare databases, and patient registries. This is a crucial early warning system designed to trigger further investigation if needed. Real-world evidence studies. After a drug or vaccine is approved and marketed, real-world evidence gathered from everyday healthcare settings becomes invaluable. RWE studies provide insights into the performance of a drug in diverse populations, helping to identify unanticipated adverse effects or benefits. Continuous monitoring in early post-marketing stages, newly marketed drugs and vaccines are subject to intense surveillance to quickly identify any potential safety concerns that might not have been apparent during clinical trials. This phase is critical as the product is used by a broader and more varied population than those typically included in clinical trials. Despite robust systems, traditional PV faces significant challenges, including managing large volumes of data, delayed reaction detection, and data standardization issues, all of which artificial intelligence can address. Artificial intelligence technologies in enhancing drug safety. The integration of artificial intelligence into pharmacovigilance can significantly enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of drug safety monitoring systems. Key artificial intelligence technologies applicable in this field include machine learning. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast datasets quickly and with high accuracy. They are particularly useful in identifying patterns and correlations in data that may indicate potential adverse reactions, which might not be apparent to human analysts. Natural language processing. Natural language processing is used to analyze unstructured data from scientific literature, social media, and patient reports. It helps in extracting useful information that contributes to safety signal detection. Neural networks. These are a subset of machine learning focused on simulating the human brain's operations to detect complex patterns and dynamics. They are particularly effective in understanding multifaceted drug interactions and predicting potential adverse reactions. How artificial intelligence supports key regulatory components. Artificial intelligence in signal detection. Artificial intelligence technologies, particularly machine learning and neural networks, enhance signal detection by automating the analysis of large data volumes to identify unusual patterns and outliers that may indicate new or emerging risks. Artificial intelligence can process and analyze data from disparate sources, for example, electronic health records, social media, and pharmacovigilance databases, more efficiently than traditional methods, leading to quicker responses to potential safety issues. Artificial intelligence. In real-world evidence studies, artificial intelligence can transform RWE studies by enabling the analysis of complex datasets that include structured and unstructured data. For example, NLP can extract relevant information from doctors' notes and patient feedback that are typically in free text and not readily accessible through traditional data analysis methods. Machine learning models can then analyze these data to find correlations and outcomes that might be missed by manual analysis. This capability makes RWE studies more robust and insightful, providing a clearer picture of a drug's effectiveness and safety in real-world settings. Artificial intelligence in continuous monitoring of early post-marketing. In the critical early stages of a product's market life, artificial intelligence tools can continuously monitor incoming data for signs of potential adverse reactions that were not identified in pre-marketing studies. Artificial intelligence systems can quickly adapt to new information, updating their predictive models in real time as more data becomes available. This rapid adaptability is crucial for timely interventions to mitigate risks to patient safety. Practical applications and case studies. Schizophrenia clinical trials. In one instance, artificial intelligence tools were employed to analyze clinical trial data for a schizophrenia medication. The AI system identified an unusual pattern of extra doses being administered, which were initially miscategorized as overdose cases. This distinction was crucial for the trial's integrity, as incorrect categorization could have led to false assumptions about the drug's safety profile. The reclassification of these incidents ensured accurate data representation, which is vital for regulatory approval and subsequent clinical recommendations. Vaccine surveillance. Another application saw artificial intelligence being used to monitor adverse events following the rollout of a new vaccine. The AI system detected an early signal for myocarditis, a rare but serious complication. This early detection enabled health authorities to update the vaccine's labeling and provide healthcare professionals with critical information to manage risks effectively. Such proactive measures not only safeguard patient health, but also sustain public confidence in vaccination programs. Challenges in integrating artificial intelligence with pharmacovigilance. The integration of artificial intelligence into pharmacovigilance presents a transformative opportunity for enhancing drug safety monitoring. However, several challenges must be addressed to fully leverage artificial intelligence technologies in this critical field. These challenges span ethical, technological, operational, and regulatory domains. Ethical considerations. Data privacy and confidentiality. Artificial intelligence systems require access to vast amounts of data, including sensitive patient information. Ensuring the privacy and confidentiality of this data is paramount. There is a need for robust data protection measures that comply with regulations such as the General Data Protection Regulation in the EU and the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act in the US. Bias and fairness. Artificial intelligence models can inadvertently perpetuate or amplify biases present in their training data. This can lead to skewed or unfair outcomes in safety monitoring, such as underreporting adverse effects in certain populations. Identifying and mitigating these biases is crucial for the equitable application of artificial intelligence in pharmacovigilance. Transparency and explainability. Artificial intelligence systems, especially those based on complex algorithms like deep learning, often lack transparency and are difficult to interpret. This black box nature can hinder trust among stakeholders, including regulators, healthcare professionals, and patients. Developing explainable artificial intelligence models is essential for validating artificial intelligence-driven findings and facilitating broader acceptance. Technological and operational challenges. Integration with existing systems. Pharmacovigilance systems are often complex and involve various legacy IT systems. Integrating artificial intelligence technologies with these existing systems can be technically challenging and costly. It requires careful planning and execution to ensure data compatibility, system stability, and uninterrupted operations. Data quality and standardization. Artificial intelligence models are heavily dependent on the quality and standardization of the data they process. Inconsistencies, errors, and gaps in data can significantly impair the performance of artificial intelligence systems. Establishing and maintaining high standards of data quality and uniformity across multiple sources and systems is a persistent challenge. Scalability. While pilot projects may demonstrate the efficacy of artificial intelligence in pharmacovigilance, scaling these solutions to handle global data volumes and diverse regulatory environments is another challenge. Scalability involves not only technological capacity, but also organizational and procedural adjustments. Skill gaps. There is often a gap in artificial intelligence and data science skills within organizations traditionally focused on pharmacology and medicine. Bridging this gap through training, hiring, or partnering is necessary to harness artificial intelligence effectively. Regulatory challenges. Uncertain regulatory environment. The regulatory landscape for artificial intelligence in pharmacovigilance is still evolving. Lack of clear guidelines and standards specific to the use of artificial intelligence can create uncertainty for pharmaceutical companies and technology providers. Regulators need to establish clear pathways for the validation and use of artificial intelligence tools in drug safety monitoring. Continuous updating of artificial intelligence models. Artificial intelligence models require continuous updates and revalidation to remain effective as new data becomes available. Regulatory frameworks need to be adaptable to accommodate the dynamic nature of artificial intelligence, ensuring that updates do not compromise the integrity or compliance of pharmacovigilance systems. Global coordination. Pharmacovigilance often involves multiple regulatory jurisdictions with varying requirements. Coordinating artificial intelligence integration across these different regulatory environments presents a complex challenge, requiring harmonization of standards and practices. The future of artificial intelligence in pharmacovigilance. The future of artificial intelligence in pharmacovigilance looks promising, with continued advancements expected to refine artificial intelligence technologies further. As artificial intelligence becomes more sophisticated, it is likely to become a central component of drug safety monitoring, offering more predictive and preventative capabilities. The role of healthcare professionals will evolve alongside these changes, shifting towards a more analytical and oversight-focused approach in managing drug safety. This transition promises to redefine how data from various sources is used to ensure patient safety and improve health outcomes. As we look to the future, several developments and trends are likely to shape the role of artificial intelligence in pharmacovigilance. Predictive analytics and risk assessment. Artificial intelligence capability to analyze vast datasets will advance from reactive to predictive pharmacovigilance. Predictive analytics can foresee potential adverse drug reactions (ADRs) before they are widely reported, allowing for preemptive action to mitigate risks. This proactive approach could significantly decrease the incidence of severe ADRs by alerting healthcare providers and patients about possible risks at earlier stages. Risk modeling. Artificial intelligence can enhance risk assessment models by integrating diverse data sources, including genetic information, electronic health records, and real-world data. Such models will help predict individual patient risks based on their unique profiles, leading to more personalized medicine. Real-time monitoring and decision support. As artificial intelligence technologies evolve, real-time monitoring of drug safety will become more feasible. Artificial intelligence systems will continuously analyze incoming data streams from post-marketing surveillance, social media, and other digital platforms to detect signals that indicate safety issues. Artificial intelligence-powered tools will increasingly serve as decision support for pharmacovigilance professionals, offering insights and recommendations based on current data trends. These systems will help in prioritizing signals for further investigation and in making informed decisions about safety communications. Collaborative ecosystems. The future of artificial intelligence in pharmacovigilance will likely involve more collaborative ecosystems involving pharmaceutical companies, technology providers, regulatory bodies, and healthcare providers. These collaborations will enhance data sharing and integration across platforms, improving the overall quality and accessibility of safety data. Data sharing initiatives, like shared databases and cloud-based systems, will facilitate the pooling of pharmacovigilance data, allowing more comprehensive analyses and better prediction of drug safety profiles. The integration of artificial intelligence into pharmacovigilance marks a pivotal advancement in drug safety monitoring, promising to elevate the efficiency, accuracy, and responsiveness of adverse drug reaction detection and risk management. This paper has explored the substantial potential of artificial intelligence to transform the pharmacovigilance landscape, from enhancing predictive analytics and risk assessment to automating routine monitoring tasks and facilitating real-time decision support. Through detailed examination of current applications and innovative technologies, we have underscored the role of artificial intelligence is not only addressing existing challenges within pharmacovigilance, but also in paving the way for a more proactive approach to drug safety. However, as highlighted in the episode, the path to fully integrating artificial intelligence in pharmacovigilance is fraught with complexities, encompassing ethical, technological, operational, and regulatory challenges. Addressing these challenges requires a concerted effort from all stakeholders, including regulatory bodies, pharmaceutical companies, and technology providers, to establish robust governance frameworks, ensure ethical artificial intelligence practices, and foster an environment of continuous learning and adaptation. Looking forward, the potential for artificial intelligence to further enhance pharmacovigilance is immense. With ongoing advancements in artificial intelligence technology, coupled with increased collaboration and data sharing among key players, the future holds the promise of more personalized medicine approaches and improved public health outcomes. It is imperative that the pharmacovigilance community remains vigilant and proactive in leveraging artificial intelligence innovations, ensuring that they contribute positively to patient safety and care. As conclude, it is clear that artificial intelligence will continue to be a central component of pharmacovigilance strategies, demanding ongoing innovation, regulatory adaptation, and a commitment to ethical practices. This evolution will not only redefine our current approaches to monitoring drug safety, but also significantly enhance our capability to protect and promote public health in an increasingly complex pharmaceutical landscape.
Thank you, Vasudev Bhupti, for sharing your invaluable insights on the transformative role of artificial intelligence in pharmacovigilance, driving greater efficiency, strengthening safety, and elevating patient engagement. Thank you, listeners. Stay tuned for upcoming episodes, where we'll bring you perspectives from leading executives across the pharmaceutical industry.